Hello everyone, here's Floating Quarantine by Akok, and today I'm gonna show you how to Google sign in with Flutter. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to fix problems, how to prevent errors, and how to Google sign in correctly in your Flutter applications. So I'm gonna show you how we're going to do it. I'm gonna show you right now a preview of our app. So let's open the Flutter Google Sign In application. And yeah, it's a simple app, but we have a lot of things to learn here. So the first thing, you can see that we have a white background with a gray button here. So we click on it. So I'm gonna select the first one. And then it will send us to the next screen, which will show our photograph and our name. So this is what we're gonna learn today, and the most important, how to fix and prevent some errors. So watch the next video.